Ugh. And just the smell immediately is like, I can't believe I used to just shower in this all the time. What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to talk about the costs of installing a water filtration system and if you should put one in your house. Alright, for the costs I'm going to cover two sections, the pipes and fittings and then the filters. For the pipes and fittings, you can go two routes. You can go with the brass or you can go with plastic fittings. I like the brass just because they're a little more durable and for peace of mind. So the brass are going to be a little more expensive. So for the crimp rings, the ball valves, the 90-degree elbows, the T's, the PEX pipe, and the threaded adapters, I paid $125. And then if you didn't have a crimp ring crimper, those are about $70 depending on which one you get. So for the actual filters, this guy, it kind of varies in price because sometimes they're on sale. So when it's on sale, it's about $475. I've seen it also around $500. So that covers all three filters that you get with it and the bracket. Next, the spin down filter was $34. And then the leak detecting sensor, which has a sensor down here, was $110. That can be a little more expensive if you get more sensors. So the total for this project was $750. So the kicker with this filter system is that the anti-scale filter by itself costs $292, which is like more than half the price of the whole filter system. But the anti-scale filter is basically why I bought this system, so I could protect my new tankless hot water heater. So knowing that I'll have to pay that for a new filter when it goes bad kind of sucks, but I have this system now. I think it's a good system. I'm going to show you in a second here the water difference. Alright, would I recommend you put this system in your house? Absolutely. I've noticed a huge difference in the water coming out of my taps. The water coming out of my shower is so pure. Like before I would smell chemicals. And that just, you don't want chemicals spraying on your body every day, right? So periodically you're supposed to flush this spin down filter. You could attach a hose to it, but I would just take some water out in a can or a bucket. Ugh. And just the smell immediately is like, I can't believe I used to just shower in this all the time. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments, and see you next time.